Setting your freelance writing rates, Part 2. Welcome to Part 2 of our series on setting freelance writing rates. Today we continue our focus of things to know when setting your billable rates. Transparency and communication are valuable currencies in the freelance world. Be clear and upfront with clients about your rates from the beginning. Hiding fees or springing unexpected costs on clients can damage trust and your reputation. Open communication builds trust, and trust leads to long-term relationships. This can simplify the decision-making process for clients and encourage them to invest in more extensive projects. You might wish to offer a content creation package that includes blog posts, social media content, and email newsletters at a discounted rate when purchased together. Understanding your client's budget can be beneficial. Some clients may have strict budgets, while others are willing to invest more in quality content. By aligning your rates with your client's budget and expectations, you can create win-win situations and foster client loyalty. In addition, a comprehensive portfolio can justify higher billable rates. When potential clients see a collection of impressive work, they're more likely to accept your rates without hesitation. Invest time in building a portfolio that showcases your best pieces and demonstrates your ability to deliver results. The freelance writing industry is ever evolving. So keep an eye on industry trends. Stay informed about current trends, emerging niches, and changes in client needs. Adapting to these shifts can position you as an in-demand writer and allow you to command higher rates in specialized areas. Your time is precious, so please value it. Don't underestimate the value of your time, even when you're passionate about writing. Factor in the time spent on research, writing, revisions, and communication with clients. Your rate should reflect not only the quality of your work but also the time and effort invested. One great idea is to consider asking for a retainer. This can provide stable income for you. Clients who anticipate ongoing work may be open to retainer agreements, where they pay a fixed monthly fee for a set number of hours or projects. This can offer you financial stability and peace of mind. You'll also want to keep an eye on what other freelance writers in your niche are charging. While you shouldn't base your rates solely on what others are charging, understanding the competitive landscape can help you position yourself effectively and avoid underpricing. One common mistake new freelancers make is undervaluing their work. Remember that your writing skills have value, and you deserve to be compensated fairly. While it's essential to be competitive, setting rates too low can lead to burnout and dissatisfaction. Periodically review your rates and evaluate your pricing strategy. Reflect on your experiences, the types of clients you've worked with, and your financial goals. If you find that your current rates no longer align with your financial needs, don't hesitate to reprice them accordingly. A rewarding writing journey awaits. Pricing your freelance writing work is an integral part of your journey. It's about recognizing your worth, adapting to market dynamics, and building a sustainable career doing what you love. With the insights from my videos, and a dash of confidence, you're well equipped to embark on your freelance writing adventure. Remember, your rates are not static. They evolve with your expertise and the value you provide. Keep honing your craft, nurturing client relationships, and believing in the worth of your words. As you do, you'll find that the freelance writing world is not just financially rewarding but also a place where your creativity and dedication truly shine. Do you find my videos helpful? If so, please consider clicking on subscribe and like so I can continue creating content for you. Thanks.